They told you it was the perfect machine. They told you it was an investment. They promised you freedom, adventure, and brotherhood. But they lied to you. The motorcycle industry isn't selling you a bike, they're selling you a fantasy. And that fantasy is about to get very expensive. Welcome to Motopazzo. We don't do dealership fairy tales here. Today I'm exposing the 5 biggest lies salesmen use to empty your pockets. If you value your money, listen close. Lie number 1. This bike is an investment. Let's get real. Unless you're buying a limited edition Ducati Superleggera or a vintage Henderson from the 1930s, your motorcycle is not an asset. It is a liability. The moment you sign that paper and roll those tires onto the pavement, you lose 20% of the value immediately. That $20,000 machine is now worth $16,000. Dealers love to say it holds its value well. Compared to what? A sinking ship? Do not buy a new bike thinking you will make money. Buy it to ride it, because financially, it is a losing game. Lie number 2. Maintenance is cheap and easy. Have you looked at a modern engine lately? They are engineering marvels, yes, but they are nightmares to work on. They tell you just an oil change every 10,000 miles. What they hide is the labor cost. To change the spark plugs on some modern sport bikes, you have to disassemble half the frame. That's 4 hours of labor at $100 an hour just for spark plugs. They sell you the bike at a competitive price, but they own you on the service. It's a subscription model disguised as maintenance. Lie number 3. You need all this technology. Radar, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth pairing, 7 different traction control modes for a bike you only ride to Starbucks. Do you really need it, or is it just another way to justify a price tag that has doubled in 10 years? More technology means more sensors. More sensors mean more things that break. And when that fancy TFT screen goes black 3 years from now, good luck fixing it with a screwdriver. You'll be buying a whole new unit worth thousands. They aren't selling you safety, they're selling you planned obsolescence. Lie number 4. The financing deal is a steal. Just $150 a month. Sounds great, doesn't it? It's designed to sound great. It's designed to make you forget math. Look at the total cost of credit. Look at the balloon payment at the end. With interest rates the way they are, you aren't just buying the bike for yourself, you're buying one for the bank too. Dealerships often make more profit on the finance kickbacks than on the metal itself. Cash is king. If you can't pay cash, think twice about whether you can actually afford the toy. And finally, lie number 5. Welcome to the family. You've heard it. You're part of the brand family now. It's a nice sentiment. It lasts exactly until the warranty claim gets rejected. The family cares about sales figures. The service department is a business, not a charity. The moment you have a weird noise that the computer can't diagnose, you'll see how quickly the family stops answering your calls. Look, I love motorcycles. I live for them. That's why I made this channel. But I hate the lies. You need to walk into that dealership with your eyes open, know the costs, ignore the hype, and buy the bike because you love to ride, not because of what the salesman promised. This is Motopazzo. We're just getting started. If you want real reviews, brutal tests, and zero fairy tales, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below on the biggest lie a dealer ever told you. I'll see you